Hey everyone, my name is Conrad and I am here with Vinny Dimarco, who is our Business Development Manager for Northeast Ohio. Vinny, thank you so much for joining me today.
Absolutely, Conrad.
So we brought Vinny on today to talk to us a little bit about Aim's Preventative Maintenance Program. So first off, Vinny, could you tell us a little bit about this service?
Sure. This is basically for your ownership accounts that are having a big challenge with their maintenance, the in-house, whether it's parts sourcing, pricing, just getting those expert technicians to work on today's trucks. Basically, what you're going to get is a 120-point inspection by our certified and our expert technicians.
Perfect. And so how does a business benefit from a service like this?
Sure. What comes to my mind is three key benefits. Number one would be Aim's going to notify you when that truck is ready for a PM, right? A lot of these companies today are, especially the larger fleets, are having challenges understanding when each and every truck is due for a PM. Aim's going to reach out to you when everyone's ready. So there's really no guessing in when it's due for a PM. Number two is total transparency. What I mean by that is Aim will give you access to what we call our customer web access. It gives you full transparency on, total spend, when we perform the PM, what kind of things are wrong with it at the time, which our certified techs will definitely find out during that 4-hour PM. It's a pretty thorough PM. Like I said, it's a 120-point inspection. So you're going to get that thorough inspection and access basically to our 24/7 road rescue. In the event of a breakdown, there's no questions on who you're going to call. And last but not least, Conrad, Aim does such a good job over the years of maintaining the equipment that generally it turns into a full service lease. We've developed such a great relationship with the customers over the years that they see the value in Aim maintaining their equipment. And, 9 times out of 10, it'll turn into a full service lease. So those are just some of the benefits that come to the top of my head that I've seen over the years in this industry.
Perfect. Well, thank you so much, Vinny, for going over Aim's PM service, and thank you for joining me.
Have a good day.
You too.